So, I saw the UPS guy. Ha ha! You guys saw the thumbnail, you guys saw the title. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, I need something to open this up with. Wait. Not supposed to run with scissors. I was totally not just running with scissors. Oh, man. Look at that. Yeah. Woohoo! This thing's actually pretty heavy. Oh, hold on. Oh, wait. Oh, oh man. Get. Holy crap. This thing looks awesome. I'm geeking out right now. I'm geeking out. Look at this big old freaking can. It's gonna look so much better than that ugly thing I got in the back of my truck right now. Speaking of which, let's go out there. Okay, so I don't know if I have an Allen wrench that's big enough to fit in this hole. So we're gonna find out. Ugh. That just looks awesome. No, that one's not big enough. That's the biggest one that's in here. Don't want to open this upside down. I don't think I have anything big enough. Do I have anything else that would work? Well, I don't have any Allen wrenches big enough, so to the hardware store. So I had to go to Menards and buy this big old honking thing to find the right Allen wrench that I needed. Good news is I found one that fits. So now let's go see if we can get it to slide over the tailpipe. Okay, so tentative plan is to try and clean this up a little bit and then slide this right over the top. We'll see if that's actually how it works. Let's see this bad boy. Slides over the top, Lisa. Come on, you can do it. And now it's stuck. There is only one way to take care of that. I'll be right back. Okay. WD-40. That was a slide now. Yeah. There we go. So,
okay, what's going on?
So this stops like when it gets to like right here. I can't slide it. And it gets to like there. So it's like sticking right the hell out here.
Yeah, that's what I originally thought it was going to do.
No. All right. Now time for the fun part. There we go. There we go. And that's hot. And I just grabbed that on the hot part. So now, this bad boy. Over the top of that. Oh, yeah. Yes! That looks freaking awesome! Woo! That looks so much better. Look at that. There's a nice gap right on top too. Really, really, really nice. That looks great. It doesn't stick out at all. Oh man, that looks great. Now all I gotta do left is tighten her down. So the whole reason I went to Menards this morning, this guy right here. What? What's up? It's a puppy! Look at the puppy! Look at Winston.
You're a star.
You're so fluffy. Oh.
8 weeks. 8 weeks? Yeah, literally.
I need a puppy in my life. I need a puppy. No questions asked. I need a puppy. I need a puppy. Okay, let's finish this up. I don't know if that was supposed to do that, but that's what I used it for. Woo! It's done. Okay. So I guess I didn't really talk about the specs of this thing that much. So this is the 18-inch long RBP exhaust tip, chrome with the red inserts. 5-inch on the inlet, 7-inch on the outlet. As you can see, there's plenty of space on the top. Fits on real well. You just had to cut that little bit off there, but other than that, I think it looks mint. So not quite exactly how I expected that to go. I thought it would just slide kind of right over the top, but hey, it probably looks a little better without having the tube inside of the other tube that way, so probably worked out for the best. I'll put a link down below if you guys want to pick up the exact exhaust tip that I have. I'll put a link to Amazon. You guys can pick it up. It was 110 bucks when I got it. So if it's more than that, when you guys look at it, probably shouldn't buy it right away and wait a little bit. I don't know. But if it's less, pick it up. I mean, it's pretty nice quality. It's super heavy. Stainless steel. You saw how it looked. Looks great. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. Make sure you leave a like so that it helps everybody out. Zachary, what else do I need to say? Subscribe. There you go. You heard it from him. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.